Now, when we're talking about lipids, generally they are classified between two major categories. There are lipids that contain fatty acids, and we'll go into what a fatty acid is, but generally lipids that contain fatty acids, these are complex lipids. And of these lipids, of the ones that utilize fatty acids, generally these are storage lipids, membrane lipids, and they also can be used for energy sources. So these storage for energy or membrane, making up a membrane in a cell, these are lipids that use fatty acids. So again, fatty acids is the key part here. Then there are lipids that do not contain fatty acids. Again, these can be a variety of lipids based on their structure. These can be things like cholesterol, some of the vitamins we talked about, some of those pigments we talked about. So all of those other lipids, essentially everything else that doesn't use a fatty acid gets lumped into this category. Well, we're going to focus first on the lipids that utilize fatty acids because these lipids have somewhat of a type of similar structure. Again, there is no unifying structure for lipids, but within the lipids that utilize fatty acids, they have a general structure that is similar. You can see in this diagram here, we break up the types of lipids that contain fatty acids. And here they're actually shown as cartoon drawings of how things are attached. These are very useful as we go through the rest of this chapter to think about these components and how things are attached. So I actually do recommend to think about the lipids in these component type diagrams. So again, just an overview, we have our storage lipids that use fatty acids. You can see the fatty acid part is highlighted in yellow all along here. And these utilize a glycerol molecule and a fatty acid. We have then within the type of membrane lipids, a vast variety of lipid types, phospholipids, glycolipids, and these ether lipids. And we're going to talk about all of these types of lipids that make up the list of lipids utilizing fatty acids.